class 10. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to a learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Bethian. Students, in previous videos which were uploaded for class 10, one book entitled Footprints Without Feet was completed. All the lessons which are useful for you for the coming examination in 2021 have been taught nicely. Homeworks have been given and you have been instructed to do your homework in a school copy that you have to buy from school. And you are also instructed to get it checked as soon as possible, because marks will be sent to board on the basis of your performance in your HW that you have been directed. Students, this book entitled First Flight, most of the lesson have been taught. Today I have decided to start a new lesson, the 100 dresses part 1, which is lesson number 5th. Students, this is a story of 3 girls, namely Wanda Petronsky, Peggy and Maddie. They are school-going students and they study in the same school. Peggy and Maddie, they are the best friend. They go together, they study together, and they have a very good understanding in between them. Wanda is a Polish girl who has arrived in America, and she has decided to continue her study in the same school where Peggy and Maddie are studying. Wanda is a different kind of girl. Wanda is a different kind of students. She comes from Boggin Heights and she has only one dress that she generally wears and that she tries to keep as her most important dress, which is highly needed in the school. Students, she generally sits in the corner of the school where the rough boys, where the non-studying students generally sit and they have their own opinion about the study. They generally don't have interest in maintaining decorum of the classroom. But Wanda is not going to be an integral part of that group. She comes silently, she sits in the corner of that classroom, she speaks less, and she has her own concept of life and own concept of study. While the study goes on, it is decided that the girl, namely Wanda, should be targeted. There is a game plan, and the game plan has been invented by Peggy along with Maddie. They generally try to ask this question to Wanda, how many dresses she has. The reply is very beautiful. Wanda replies beautifully and she says that she has 100 dresses, all lined up, all kept beautifully and all decorated beautifully also. This answer creates confusion in the mind of these two girls. They generally think if she has 100 dresses, why does she come wearing that only faded blue dresses? And this becomes a matter of great concern. They generally ask this question. Sometimes this question becomes very immaterial. This question should not be there. and this should not be asked. But there is no way to go out. They generally ask this question and the same reply is there from the side of Wanda. It so happens that it's Wednesday. Peggy and Maddie, they are sitting with other children and they are sitting with the students, those who generally get good marks, and they are not in the same track of those boys, those students who are known for their rough activities. Peggy and Maddie, as I have stated, are very close friends, and they generally notice Wanda's absence because Wanda has stopped coming to school. The reason has not been explained, but they generally wait for Wanda because whenever Wanda comes, they try to have the same game, they try to have some fun with her, and she just hadn't come. So the sense of making fun with them is not going to be fulfilled. Students, they generally wait and they generally try to make it clear that room number 13 is generally Wanda's presence in the class makes the classroom very light. The students, they think about the absence. Sometimes they forget because they have their own work to do inside the class as well as outside of the class. Peggy is not really cruel. She has good qualities also. She generally protects small children from bullying and she cries for hours if she finds any animal mistreated. So these two good qualities are there, which are very loving and which are very just interesting and impressive good qualities. But as far as Wanda is concerned, their dress game plan sometimes makes Wanda very disappointed, very frustrated, but she generally doesn't disclose the opinion and she generally doesn't make it a way of thought. She generally neglects it. Time passes and the question about asking the number of dresses becomes a strong question, becomes a question of great fun in the eye of Peggy and Maddie. Students, in the next video, we shall come to know what happens when the question becomes an integral part of the room number 13 and how does Wanda react. All these things will be taught to you in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.